My name is Brian Bovin. I'm with 5 Star Real Estate. I sell luxury homes and I live in Rockford.
My name is Barbara Rink and I'm from Hudsonville, Michigan. I'm a realtor with Rink Real Estate Group at Keller Williams Rivertown.
My name is Rita Johnson and I'm from Grand Rapids, Michigan.
My name is Joe Reddy. I'm from Grand Rapids, Michigan, and I do medical sales.
I have found great success using MyWay Mobile Storage. They are very friendly. They treat my clients with extreme respect. I've used them for 3 years and I've never had one single concern and complaint from clients. And after I get done with them and sell their home, many of them continue to use MyWay Mobile Storage because they're so happy with their services.
MyWay Storage is a company that I love to affiliate with, and the reason being is they can be trusted on timelines. When I need a container dropped off and they say it's going to be there, it's always there. It's very important that my clients can plan on it being there because often they have help arranged to load the containers.
We had an interim period between the sale of our house and being able to move in our new house. It's been wonderful because we're able to move the household furnishings into the pods, room by room, and then we're able to have them delivered room by room so that we can bring the things in for rooms that aren't being worked on.
I met with a representative. We scheduled delivery of the containers. They dropped them off. We used about 3 weeks to fill them up. When we requested the containers to be delivered to our new house, they delivered some of the pods in the front of the house, which made it so convenient for unloading. We also had some delivered around back, which allowed us to get the pods into the lower level.
We have developed over the last 3 years a wonderful system to help my clients get the success that they need, attaining the highest sales price for their home by getting rid of all of their extra furniture and extra stuff in their home.
MyWay Mobile Storage has had a great impact on my company. Reason being is the setup with the storage containers is extremely efficient, and I love the fact that it can be done in one day.
We've had great customer service. Our questions have been answered quickly. We've been able to turn around delivery quickly if we need to. Everything has been wonderful.
We had a little bit of a unique situation. 2 families moving from separate houses into the same house. So MyWay Storage delivered pods at each house, picked them both up, brought them, made the very difficult transition easy for us.